Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to use the shift register IC 74595 with Arduino. So let's get started. In the previous video, I have explained the basic things of IC 74595. This is the IC 74595. Pin number 8 and 13 are connected to the negative rail. Pin number 10 and 16 are connected to the positive rail. Now I am putting the LEDs. The negative pins are connected to the negative rail. With the positive pin of the LED, I am connecting 220 ohms resistor. LED 1 to LED 8. As we know, pin number 15 is output 1. So we have to connect pin number 15 to LED 1. And the last output, that is pin number 7, should be connected to the LED 8. Pin 15 to LED 1. Pin 1 to LED 2. Pin 2 to LED 3. Pin 3 to LED 4. Pin 4 to LED 5. Pin 5 to LED 6. Pin 6 to LED 7. Pin 7 to LED 8. So this is how we have connected the outputs. Now we have to connect the input of IC to the Arduino. Pin 14 of the IC is connected to the pin 2 of Arduino. It is data pin. Pin 11 of the IC is connected to the pin 3 of Arduino. It is SHCP. And pin 12 of the IC is connected to the pin 4 of Arduino. It is STCP. Plus 5 volt is connected to the positive rail. And ground is connected to the negative rail. So this is the only connection we have to do. Now connecting my system to the Arduino. I have connected the STCP pin to pin 4. I have connected the SHCP pin to Arduino pin 3 and the data pin, that is pin DS, to pin number 2. These 3 pins are output. So pin mode, STCP pin, it is output. SHCP pin and DS pin. So this is our setup. Now come to the loop. To control the shift register, we have a function. It is called shiftOut. It has 4 arguments. The first is data pin, that is DS pin. Then SHCP pin. The shifting order, it can be LSB first or MSB first. First I'll show you with LSB first. So LSB, FIRST, LSB first. Then any number from 0 to 255. The shift out can handle 1 byte. So 1 byte means 8-bit number, and 255 is the largest 8-bit number. So it can handle 0 to 255. I am writing 255. Before that, we have to make our STCP pin low. So digital write STCP pin low. After reading this, we have to make this pin high. As it is 255, so all the output will be high. Uploading this one. We will get the output in binary form. This is decimal number and you can write this in binary form. To write in binary, we have to type 0 B. B means binary. Now you can write any number. Let's say 10101010 and you will get your output. Whatever you give your number here, you will get the output. Now see the difference between LSB and MSB. The last one is 1. So this is it. If you make this MSB first, it will do the opposite. Okay. So to write anything, LSB first will be easier for us to design. Now if you want to make a design, then see this. Make a delay. Let's say 500 millisecond. Make it 0 and copy this. Here it is 0. Make this 1. It is 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1 means all 1. Now upload this and see the output. So this is how you can design your output like this. You can do it in other way. Okay. Now I'll show you another example. What we'll do is we'll print each and every number from 0 to 255. For this we need for loop. The first number will be 0. Here it is 0. The largest number is 255. So here we have to write 256. Number plus plus. It is now inside the for loop. And we want to print the number. Okay. Now upload this one. Now we are getting the binary number from 0 to 255. Make it little bit faster. 100 millisecond the delay. So this is how you can use the shiftOut function to use shift register. So this is the very basic way to use shiftOut function. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.